Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Today we have a super exciting video for you guys. I think this is actually my first review ever that I do on my channel, and it's by my favorite brand, the Fenty Beauty brand. So I'm going to be talking today about the new launch that she had. I believe that she launched these products on April 6th, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that though. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my review on the Body Lava, but I know that she did come out with other products in this line. So she has the combo, which is called Beach Please, and it comes with 3 different things. So it doesn't come with it, they're all separately bought, but these are the 3 products that she has come out with. So the first one is the Body Lava, which we are going to be reviewing today. The second one is the Fairy Balm, and then the third one is the little brush applicator that you can apply the Body Lava with. So I'm just going to show you guys a little picture from the website. Here, focus. So that is the combination of the 3 products that come out with the Beach Please line. And so today we're going to be reviewing the Body Lava. So the Body Lava that I got was actually the only one that has come out in stores. The other one is only online, I believe. So this one is called Who Needs Clothes, which I think is such a genius name because this is supposed to be something that you can lather all over your body and you just look like a golden goddess pretty much. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Body Lava in this shade right here. So this is the product, and firstly I want to comment on the packaging, which is to die for. I honestly, like, I would pay the amount of money just for this packaging because it's just so beautiful. It has this like floral, shimmery, kind of peachy colors that just remind me of summer, and I love it all so much. So we're gonna open it up and see what the bottle looks like. This is the first time I opened it up, so I'm pretty excited. And whoa, like what? Like, look at this. This looks like gold. This is amazing. So the packaging is glass, and this is pretty big. So this one retails for $69 Canadian. I believe it's $59 American. Pretty pricey, but for the amount that you get in this bottle, I think that's pretty reasonable. You get 3 fluid ounces in this bottle right here, which I honestly think that would last you a year at least. So that's pretty good. And then, yeah, just the packaging is unbelievable. I think it's beautiful. I think Rihanna is totally winning. Like, this girl is a genius, and all the power to her. So let's just pull off the cap here. So again, you have the pump, which is amazing, won't get messy and get all over the place, which is very, I mean, I think that by now all beauty products should be putting pumps on their bottles, foundations, liquids, moisturizers, all that stuff, because I just think it's easier for application and you don't waste as much product, so that's pretty good. So in this video we're going to be doing also a wear test and a demo, so I'll show you guys how it wears. I'm actually going to be playing right now before we continue to the review and the wear test. I'm going to play the video that they have up on the Fenty Beauty website. It's basically an instructional video that kind of teaches you how to apply it and where you can apply it in different places. So I'm going to insert that right now so you guys can watch it and take a look.
I'm going to introduce you guys to our limited edition Body Lava. This is a gel-based body luminizer. It has light diffusing pearls, which gives you a beautiful shine and finish. The color that I'm using today is called Who Needs Clothes. It's a beautiful rose gold color. This looks good on all skin tones. It has a beautiful floral vanilla scent. You can use just your fingers or even our face and body Kabuki brush. You can put this on your shoulders, body, legs, arms. Feel free to apply this everywhere you want to glow and glisten.
So I'm just gonna put a little drop on my wrist so I can show you guys what it looks like. So it does come out pretty generously. I'm just gonna, I have a little brush here. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So that's the swatch right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's super pretty, super glowy. And I just see myself wearing this either to the beach, an event, or a night out when you want to look nice and glistened. And I think this is really, would really complement a nice tan, a sun-kissed look, which is really, really nice. I think that what a perfect time to bring out a product like this, because the weather is nice now and it's getting really sunny and nice and people are going to the beach, and I think it's just genius. So honestly, Rihanna is doing it right. So now we're gonna be trying the product on. I'm just gonna be applying this product to what I've been seeing in videos so far. A lot of people have been applying it to their collarbones, their shoulders. I've seen some people put it all over their arms. So we're gonna try that all out. What I am also gonna do is apply it on wherever I would apply highlight on my face. So we're gonna try that and see how it looks. I know it does describe it as a body kind of gel, but I'm gonna try it all over, so we'll see how it looks, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna try applying a generous amount on this brush here. Now I didn't pick up the brush that comes with this product. I knew I had like a Kabuki brush at home, so I wanted to try that out, and honestly I think it was like $39, and I was like, you know what, it looks really nice, but this will do. So I'm just gonna be pushing this aside a little bit. We're gonna be applying it here on my collarbone and see. Oh my god. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that is gorgeous. And it is really smooth. I'm noticing that it is really like a gel formula, which is really nice. It's not sticky. And the scent is to die for. It truly is like a vanilla scent, which I love. That's so pretty. So it kind of looks like, we're gonna let it dry for a little bit and kind of see if the product transfers on my hand. But I don't know if you guys can see there on the collarbone. We'll add a little bit more on this side here. I feel like you can never have enough glow, so. Oh my god, this, like, if you wear this, you don't even have to wear perfume because it smells so nice. So that's what it looks like on the body. Super nice. Very subtle, not too much. Like, I'm all about subtle glow. All right, now we're gonna be applying it on the face. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so now that we're nice and close, we can do all of the places where I've already highlighted. I have some makeup on from today, so we're just gonna be retouching my highlight on my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and then I really wanna try and do the inner corners and maybe a little bit on my eyelid. So we're gonna try that out and see how it goes. I haven't seen anyone else do this, so hopefully it works out for the better. Oh wow. I feel like this would be a really good highlight to use on like a natural no makeup look, just because it does really like sink into the skin nicely. And if you are going to the beach, you could just put this in the places where you would highlight normally, and I feel like that would just be really pretty. We'll just put a little bit here, the inner corners. Yeah, I feel like this, you don't need a lot, like you don't need to bring out a lot from the pump. I feel like this would last you a long time, so the $69 is definitely worth it in my eyes. Just adds a little bit more glow, which is super pretty. Then I have this beauty blender from actually the Rihanna line. I'm gonna try that out. I'm just gonna apply a little bit onto the beauty blender, and we're just gonna be highlighting my cheekbones here. I don't know how this is gonna go over actual makeup, but we'll see. I've seen a lot of them apply it with their hands too, so I believe you can do that. That's really gorgeous. So we'll just apply whatever's left on the brush, on my chin, and on the bridge of my nose here. Wow, that is gorgeous. Now, I don't know about the length of like the wear time. I don't know how that is gonna be, but it does feel dry, so I don't think it'll move. But that's just so nice and glowy. Okay, last thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna be applying this onto my lips as a lip gloss. Wow, that's just super nice, natural, glossy. Now she does have her gloss bomb that I do own that I absolutely love. It's my favorite a gloss of all time, but I think that if you wanted to add a little bit of this on top, it would be great. Yeah, that's just so nice and natural. Like I just see myself wearing this on a beach day and putting it all over and just looking like glowing from the inside out. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys out just a little bit so you can see everything all together. I don't know, can you see it?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's because I'm too pale.
Maybe it's because I'm too pale.
And it's not like coming through enough. But I can see it.
Yeah, you can see it.
So I know you guys can see that glow right here on the shoulder, the collarbone. And I really do think that, I mean, I have an LED light here, but I think that in the natural sunlight, you would get the most benefit out of this product and the shine that comes through from it. I think that that would be your ideal place to get all the glow that it's showing here. And I don't know if you guys can see my cheekbone here, it just looks super flawless, super natural. I think it's so pretty. So overall, my opinion about this product, I love it. I think it's really, really nice. It is a little bit sticky and it does transfer a little bit, but I'm not too worried about that when I'm going to the beach or when I'm at a night event or anything like that. I think that, I mean, it's not a huge deal if it transfers. I think that the actual formula is really nice. It's like a jelly, smooth kind of formula. It almost goes on like a moisturizer, really buttery, really nice, but without any of that oil that you would get from like coconut oil based moisturizer or anything like that. So it's not sticky at all. It's not too oily. I don't think that the oils would transfer onto your clothing if you are wearing, you know, a nice outfit or a dress or anything like that. Definitely for the beach, I think that this is a must for someone to have on the beach if you do like the glow and you do want to just be, you know, like someone can see you from super far away, like you're just shining in the light. Like, so I think that this is a really, really nice product. I think it is worth the money. You are getting 3 fluid ounce in this bottle, so I think that that's really, really nice because I just think that it's gonna last you at least a year. Like, I don't think that someone can use this all up in, you know, one application or anything like that. So I think that the actual bottle is flawless. It's just very luxurious, very, it just looks super expensive, super nice. The only downside I would see about this product is maybe the size of it. Ideally, when I'm, you know, on the beach, I'm traveling and I'm putting this into my makeup bag. So if I am taking this on vacation, I think that it is a little bit big. I think that there is a risk of it pouring out or spilling in your makeup bag. And again, also this bottle is glass, so there are chances of it breaking. That's honestly the only downside I see from this product. Other than that, I truly recommend this product. You know, I love the Fenty line. I do have other products from her and I really recommend everything. Everything is just to perfection. Like, she never lets anyone down, and that's why I love Riri, and I think that she's awesome and she is a complete goddess herself. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review and this wear test. And yeah, I really hope that it was helpful for you guys. So I do recommend, if anyone wants this product and wants to get their hands on this and purchase it, do so. I think it's really worth it. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.